You know, for years at DGS, we've been making a very heavy-duty bed rack. It's a very simple design, but one of the things that we did that's a little different than most of the bed racks out there is we chose the same wheels that we use on our universal dolly system.
All right.
Each of these wheels is capable of holding 1,000 pounds. This rack is capable of holding 4,000 pounds.
Okay.
You can use it as a bed rack, or you can use it to maybe support the truck bed, or the truck cab, I should say, when you're pulling it off of that chassis, doing a frame swap. And you're able to free up the lift.
All right.
Okay. We also manufacture a very simple ramp, and this ramp design was intended for spray boost, but people are using them to bridge any kind of threshold, whether it be drainage ditches or gate crossings, and it allows the rack to transfer over those areas without having to lift the entire rack and bed to get it inside of your paint booth.
Or use 3 of your technicians to help you move the
Absolutely.
thing. Okay.
What we try to do at DGS is utilize the equipment in a way that it takes what would take normally 3 or 4 guys, 10 guys possibly, and limit it down to 1 or 2 guys.
All right.
We realize that time is of the essence because of this whole lean process that we're having to deal with. What we did is we took our bed racks and we converted this thing over into a paint stand.
All right.
This is how easy it is to convert this thing over and set your fenders on top of it, a bumper. Go ahead and crank them down too.
Okay.
Fender out just a little bit. There we go. Okay, pull it back in now. Okay, right there. This one you need to tighten up too.
Okay. That was easy.
Yeah. Now, we only put a couple of parts on here, and this might be a typical repair where we have a fender and a bumper. One of the important things about what we put together, painting the parts all on one rack so close, is, as you know, some of the 2-, 3-stage pearl colors that we have, it's very important to be able to keep the spray pattern close to the adjacent panel.
All right.
So we're able to do that by positioning it with these brackets and get all of the components very close, all the parts very close to the adjacent panel, and it really helps with our spray pattern.
Okay, so you don't have that metallic shift between one panel and another.
Absolutely.